XRP and XLM are taking an absolute beating compared to the rest of the market. Oddly enough, just like the White Sox. Now we know the Israel-Middle East conflict with Iran really pulled the market down. But what if I told you that tonight, yep, only a couple hours away from now, we're going to get data to tell us if the damage is going to be even worse. That's right, Middle East tensions are erasing any growth of development, smart contracts, SOAR band partnerships, all that went to the wayside as global news cycles ruled the roost. A little bit of green up on the screen. Yes, coming back from yesterday's big mess. Sol's up 9%, clawing its way back. ETH 31.17. Look at that BNB still close to 600. Matic at that 70-cent mark. ICP 12.59. Arbitum fans seeing a big pump back, $1.16 right there. XRP 49.7 with XLM sitting at 10.8. All right. So we know about the Middle East action and how it just dramatically dropped the market twice. Well, there's kind of something bigger with this. See, the second pullback happened on Saturday. Commodities markets, stock markets, securities markets, all that kind of stuff was closed. So guess what? They still have to trade on this action. Yeah. So now if we start seeing where they trade on this action, we could get a better idea of what's about to happen, right? Because think there's going to be a lot of traditional finance stuff tied to this. Okay. So U.S. crude oil gains as Israel reportedly prepares for attack by Iran this weekend. Okay. So this was on Friday. And the market was like pumping for oil on Friday, right? There was some healthy movement. Now, it came back because nothing materialized during trading hours. Well, guess what? The action from Iran happened outside of trading hours. We traded it. Oil markets haven't. Here was the pump on the initial news cycle. Now, remember, this is Friday. The market's not open yet. The market opens in a couple hours from now. It's okay. I'm recording this on Sunday. So wherever you are, you're going to have a couple hours until this action opens up. By the way, too, gold market opens in a couple hours, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Closes Friday afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So anyways, oil pumped on the threat of this happening. Now you have stuff that happens, right? And guess what? Crypto market took the hit. Are we going to see oil pump up more? If oil pumps up more, the cost of building, transportation costs, fuel, all of that goes up. All of your goods that you buy are pretty much shipped. You don't get them out of your backyard, do you? No, you got to ship them. So now if shipping charges across the globe go up because there's going to be a squeeze on oil because of Middle East tensions, I'm going to leave that in. See, I make mistakes. Then you have to start thinking, well, wait a minute. Inflation is going to get rougher. And if inflation gets rougher, that puts more pressure on the Feds to pause for longer. It also puts big pressure on the gold markets. All right? Check out oil on the news. Check out gold on the news, right? And just throwing it out there. Gold, safe haven, right? Bitcoin for crypto, safe haven is Bitcoin. All right, when you look at how far away it is from all-time highs, Bitcoin is still really close to all-time highs. The rest of the market, not as close. BNB is fairly close. Sol's not that far off. But I mean, XRP is like 85, 86% away from all-time highs. XLM is like 90-something% away from all-time highs. So store value play. Oh, I just knocked Luis Robert over. We're going to leave that in. So we're looking at this and we're waiting to see when the oil market opens, when the metals market opens, how do they react to what happened while they couldn't trade? We see more pressure, right? On the oil side, that means global prices are going to go up. If we start seeing gold go up, you know people are playing the super safe haven boring, oh crap, we've got more crap going on. And if tensions escalate, you could see more events like what we saw in the crypto market happen Friday and Saturday repeat itself, because as we've seen, the crypto market is the most volatile market out there. All right, crypto market goes down 15% on that action. Gold goes down like a few percent. Oil goes down like a few percent. It's not crazy. But crypto is super volatile. Development news means jack. I mean, think all the partnerships. Think about all that kind of crap that you've heard. got wiped out how fast? XRP's not even at 50 cents, man. ADA got pushed back down to 45 right now as we speak. XLM was like 9.7, 9.8 cents at one time. Like, so yeah, Sorban, what good does it do you if macro events and if news cycles rule the roost? Doesn't matter if you move trillions if the world is thinking about other stuff, if the world has bigger problems it has to worry about. And if oil goes up, which causes all the prices of everything we buy to go up, that drives the inflation report, that drives the cost of money going up, which means development is slow, which means then all of a sudden all you see in crypto is speculative money, not development money. TVLs start going down. You don't see venture capitalists going in. Well, you're going to have more soft market action. And we still have the ETF market that has to react to this. Think about this, right? The pullback from Bitcoin. Luckily, it wasn't that bad as a percentage, or else we would be in deep, deep shit. But imagine if Bitcoin pulled back like 20%, how bad the rest of this would have been. So now you got the ETF players that have to play when the market opens up to trade the ETFs for Bitcoin. You got to go through that bloodbath. You got to go through the bloodbath of Sailor and MicroStrategy. What about the Bitcoin miners when their trading opens on Monday? There's a lot of ripple effects that are coming out, and it's starting tonight, and then you're going to see more of that stuff happen Monday morning Eastern Standard Time, like early hours for pre-action trading. I am absolutely fried from training today. I am not gonna lie. The heat acclimation training is super rough because the race I'm doing is a heat race in the middle of July. So like I'm practicing now while it's like 84 degrees out. Come on. So anyways, I'm thinking about this whole thing and I'm like, you know what? I hope Middle East tensions really calm the F down. Like you hope this is just like a, you know, just like a flare up that just kind of goes away quick, right? You just don't want this to persist because I mean, we're not even in like summer high energy cost yet. And we're not even, we still got to deal with the housing issue, let alone if we start adding more energy crisis into this mix globally. Yes, this isn't even just about like the United States. This is global. You know, oil prices globally are going to get affected by this, which affects global inflation. And then we just got more of this crap. And the crypto market's soft, man. Crypto market needs some Viagra. That is some weak sauce ass shit from the crypto market, watching it pull back like that. It's crazy. Totally crazy. Stock market has like a minus 5% day. People freak out. Dude, we were seeing 15, 25% down on that action. And then down the previous day too. So the people that were bragging after the first one going, I bought the dip, and they were bragging about it, which, hey, it's cool. You do you. But you're bragging about it, then all of a sudden there's 15 more washed out, and you're like, oh, dude. So we still got a lot more negativity to go with this event. This event itself still has to go through more cycles. We have to watch traditional finance trade this crap.